So, have you tried any Filipino food yet?
필리핀 음식을 드셔본 적이 있는지.
Yeah.
What was your favorite so far?
뭐 어떤 음식이 제일 맛있었는지.
그리고 저랑 아이니가 바나나 큐를 직접
Oh, banana Q!
We made banana Q.
Yeah, I love banana Q.
Gumagawa daw sila ng banana cue.
You tried making
만들어
banana Q?
먹어요. Ang sarap-sarap.
Ay! Ang sarap-sarap!
Sarap-sarap.
Yeah, with lots of boiling oil, like that.
Oil.
And then you put the banana.
Yeah.
And then you put lots of red sugar.
Yeah.
Very sweet. So now I will introduce you to other Filipino dishes. I will have you try to eat them. Okay, just try. You don't have to eat everything. You just try for experience.
Okay.
Yay! Pasok!
Wow.
We tried that, yes.
Oh my God!
Wow. Pika.
Oh! Since it's your birthday, we will celebrate.
생일 파티래요.
This is called lechon. Lechon baboy.
Lechon.
Ang tawag na roast. Wow. Because she's dead. Okay, wait. Okay. Nancy, we cover Nancy. Nancy, we cover. How does it smell? You smell.
이거 냄새 맡아보시래요.
You smell. No! Don't be afraid, daughter. You're in good hands.
무서워하지 말래요.
Hungry.
You're hungry? Oh, okay, hungry. No. It's little.
Can you use fork?
This one is, where's the crunchy part? This one's crunchy. Did you like it? Right?
Ang sarap.
Yay! Go, Nancy! Yay! How was it? Good?
Ang sarap.
Really good.
Nayon, you want to try it? Everyone tried it already.
그냥
Ang dami na kinakain ng anak ko.
나사람만 해.
My daughter is very, very hungry, ha?
너무 제일 많이 드신다고.
This is chicharon.
야야.
Chicharon.
we like this one.
Yeah. Nancy doesn't like it. Chicharon, you don't like it, right?
Do we?
This one is called sisig. But you have to mix. You mix first.
me already.
You tried it?
Yeah.
Sisig?
Kali likes. With Kali likes.
What?
Kali likes랑
Yeah, you mix. Yeah. Ano, garlic rice. Yeah, it's okay with garlic rice. Only garlic rice.
그 마늘밥이랑
Nancy,
같이
you like
드시면
it, sisig? Yeah.
마늘밥이랑 같이
Every
드시면
time I go out, when I drink beer, I drink beer with sisig. Yeah. You wanna try it,
이게
Nayon?
시식이 맥주랑 먹으면 되게 맛있어요.
You like it, baby girl? Yay! Brian, dito ka sa tabi ka ni Nayon, dito ka kumain. Bigyan mo siyang food. Sabihin for Nayon. So this is sinigang.
이건 시니강이랑 음식이에요.
Explain mo nga sa kanila na maasim yan.
시니가 약간 상큼해요. 이거는 산다라박 누나가 제일 좋아하는 거예요. 파브리토니 산다라박.
Yeah. That's Sandara's favorite food. It's soup. It's okay. Try it again. I want to see your facial reaction.
먹고 표정을 보고 싶으니까 한 번 더 드셔보세요.
Okay, try. 1, 2, 3.
표정.
Why?
왜?
케찹.
맛살라. 케찹 맛나.
라상 케첩다오.
What happened? Why is it?
It tastes like ketchup.
케첩다오. 라상 케첩.
Tomato juice.
Tomato juice.
It tastes like carrot and tomato juice mixed together.
Because it's soury.
Yeah.
It's very, very sour.
Yeah, but it's not bad.
You don't like it, baby girl?
어때? 맛이 어때요?
갈라져 들었을 것 같아.
특이한데
kakaiba daw.
계속 먹게 되는 것 같아요.
Kakaiba pero nakaka-addict daw.
Ah, talaga? Oh, try it again. Oh, oh, you're still very beautiful. Even if it tastes sour like that. Oh. And my baby girl, oh, very funny. What's your reaction again?
한 번 더 표정 음식 먹고 표정을 한번 보여주세요. 천천히.
Like an actress.
CF처럼.
Ay, palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you very much.